Friends, well, after the beautiful winters, which was my favorite, now we are entering summers in north of India, and to be really ready and have a summer skin, it's very important to layer your skin with weightless hydrating moisturizers. Of course, you already know an SPF. SPF, how to use is a skill. So, our fingers has three boxes everybody's, which is like a measurement unit. So, you have to use 1.5 fingertip unit. If you have an oily skin, if you sweat a lot, it's a great idea to use a gel-based sunscreen or a matte sunscreen. If you wear makeup, then matte is going to be better. You can first put the matte serum, then the matte sunscreen, and then literally weightless and, chemical-free, mineral-based makeup is always better. And at night, we really need to use some sort of a gentle exfoliator in summers. If you really want to remove that peach fuzz, you have to do that. And you have to have a very exfoliated, clean skin where the pores are breathing. Very important in summers. Of course, God's natural process of helping us sweat is a way to remove the toxins and make the skin breathe. But with that comes the fact that we need to be more hydrated. So drinking more water is extremely important. Having citrus fruits, anything red, yellow, green, purple, particularly red and yellow during summers is going to help us. Avoiding tea, coffee, very important again. But if you have to have, like I have to have, then you have to drink a extra big glass of water before you do this, so as to reduce the levels of dehydration. If you're somebody who drinks in summers, switch to drinks which are based for summers, which are going to be more healthier, as it's always said, like gin, vodka is better than whiskey or something which is going to make you slightly sweat more. Also try to switch to fresh juices with these kind of drinks. With every alcoholic drink, please have more water, because again that's going to dehydrate us. Avoid oily food. Avoid spicy food during summers if you really want a great skin. Take some supplements according to your age, weight and lifestyle. If you're somebody who really works out a lot, then definitely you need certain kind of multivitamins. You need omegas during this summer season particularly, because we are not able to have, many of us are not able to have as much of dry fruits as we have in winters, because it's going to lead to that, garam tasir. It's going to lead to a more warmer inner core of the body. During summers, I wear always a broad brim hat. I wear a lot of sunscreen. I use 1.5 fingertip of sunscreen. I use it 10 minutes before stepping out. I reapply the sunscreen after 3 hours, be it any SPF. SPF is more of a gimmick to sell your product more expensive. That's what these cosmetic companies are doing with us. SPF of 30 or 26 is more than sufficient if you have an Indian skin type. So just stick to that kind of a sunscreen and keep reapplying it after 3 hours if you're stepping out again, or if you're even at home and cooking, basically exposing yourself to flame, or always on some sort of UV light in your office, then yes, it's a great idea to reapply it during lunch. If you're somebody who smokes, again, during summers, you could have patchy skin. So it's a great idea to again drink more water and, and work on your diet. Take some nutritional supplements if you really have to smoke, so as to improve your gut health, so that during summers you have that shiny, radiant skin. Switch to serums according to your skin type, something like containing niacinamide, vitamin C, kojic acid, azelaic acid. But yes, better visit a dermatologist than follow those Instagram influencers and spoil your skin. You cannot use these products without a great sunscreen. So try and understand the combination and do it right. Lastly, have a great summer-based diet. Have a lot of those kale, have avocado, have citrus fruits, have a lot of juices, have a lot of green leafy vegetables. My mother always used to say the seasonal fruits and vegetables are always healthiest. So yes, that's actually true. And that's how nature has made us. Watermelon, the most hydrating fruit. Stick to it during summers. Please ask us questions in your comments. Give me suggestions for next topics.